I bet you we've picked up probably 15 bushel increase in the fall by using a quadra-til, and I would guess maybe another 10 to 15 bushel in the spring using the real disc. My name is John Boon. This is a 5th generation farm. We run it with my dad and mom and my wife and 5 kids, and we got introduced to this McFarlane tillage tool a few years ago. We run the quadra-til in the fall, and then we come back in the spring and we use the real disc for one pass, and it really incorporates the manure and the trash really well and sets it at like 1.5 to 2 inches deep. And we have like a 40-year-old corn planter, an old 7000 John Deere, and it works really well yet because we have a good seed preparation tool. We probably run it about 8 miles an hour, 8.5 miles an hour, about 1.5 inches deep, and it's just a nice combination for us. Works really well. The quadra-til, we are running a QT209, and we updated it with individual notched disc blades up front, and that seems to work out really good for us. A lot of corn on corn rotation, a little bit of alfalfa, a little bit of soybeans or wheat, and so we have a lot of trash to get rid of, and we put a lot of manure down, like 12 to 20 ton average, and so we like to incorporate it, and the quadra-til works really good, and we like the adjustability of it. You can put a 2-inch straight point on it, or a 3-inch twist, or a 4-inch twist, however black you want to make it, and however level you want to make it. Before we were introduced to the quadra-til, we ran standard ripper, and it was on 30-inch spacings, so it wasn't getting the compaction taken care of like the quadra-til does, because when we're doing this much silage and earlage, you have a lot of traffic, truck traffic with the silage choppers, and we realized that the ground is getting a lot more compacted, so we switched to the quadra-til, and it really helped with the compaction issues. And in the springtime, we used to use a field cultivator, but it would always bring up the trash to the surface, and it kind of be like a dump rake, and it wouldn't incorporate anything. So we knew we needed something different with these higher yields and the higher tonnage of manure and trash that we're putting on. So the real disc was a very nice fit for us. Worked out great. We have heavy black soil up in these parts, not too many rock, and I suppose it's about 10-12 inches of black dirt and then clay underneath. And so when it's wet, it really gets compacted easily, so we really appreciate the quadra-til for getting rid of the compaction. Because as soon as you drive on it with traffic in the fall, it seems like it has a lot of compaction. So we really like that. Like the real disc too. That is a great piece of equipment for light vertical tillage in the spring, and incorporates it really well. Gets rid of that trash and the stalk and sets it in there 1.5 to 2 inches, and yeah, we wouldn't know what to do without it.